Okay, coffee or wife?
What?
Coffee or wife? First stop.
Coffee.
Hello.
I need my coffee. More.
You know,
Often.
I give you a chance. Change.
Look how many. Can I do the questions about me? Are you done now with yours?
Yes.
So now I'm gonna ask you.
Why are you gonna ask me? You have no right.
What about that?
Hi guys, good evening. It's already around, what time now? It's already
Late, midnight.
11
Almost.
p.m. here, and we are so bored and hungry. Ella is here, also awake. Francine is sleeping, she's there. So we have to be a bit quiet. And now, my husband, Frank. What are you doing?
Me?
He's doing a samyang.
Doing a samyang,
No.
you did it.
No, he's going to eat samyang, 2 packs of samyang. So while he was eating that, I'm gonna have a fast talk, ask him some questions. So,
Some questions. It seems to be 20 or how many?
no, some questions while you're eating. So 2 packs of samyang, and since me, that I can, na-try ko na yung samyang before guys, and it's really, really, really hot. I cannot take it anymore. Nung buntis ako, bit na bit ko siya, pero ngayon no. I'm having pizza. Okay daw. So guys, start tayo. Okay.
Have you eat now?
Eat first. Eat first. Enjoy your samyang first.
After, I cannot talk.
No, come talk. The first question.
You have to give an intro. What the questions are about. They don't know.
No, they know that. Some nonsense question, guys.
I need water.
When is this my birthday?
What?
When is my birthday again? It will get hotter now.
Don't you have another question?
Come on, first. That's the first question. Hindi mo lagyan yung pato ba?
3rd of January 1990.
Okay, coffee or wife?
What?
Coffee or wife? First topic.
Coffee.
Hello!
I need my coffee. More.
You know,
Often.
I give you a chance. Change.
Look how many. Look how many times I have
Coffee or
coffee.
wife?
How many times do I have you?
Coffee or wife? He's
Okay,
not-
guys, officially,
He's not
wife.
changing.
Wife. Why should I change that?
You love her or she loves you? Look at
I
that.
love her more. That's
No,
for sure.
the question
Because I
is-
say I love you unconditionally.
The question is, you love her or she loves you?
I love her.
Okay. How many coffee you can have?
How many coffee I
Mug.
can have? Mugs. Endless. 20, 30?
You're a coffee lover.
With milk.
Hot
Lots
or
of
sweet?
milk.
Can you answer quick? Hot or sweet?
Hot.
Black or pink?
What?
Black or pink?
Black or pink? Black.
How's samyang?
What? How are you, Samyang? It's fine.
Yeah?
It's hot.
My favorite song, singer.
Oh, what's his name? The guy with the guitar. I mean, I already passed. It's the guy with the guitar.
Who's it?
Loving you. Blah, 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 blah. What's his name, guys? I don't hear you.
Ed Sheeran.
No, Ed Sheeran. Yeah, you see, you all didn't know that.
Favorite singer? Not on a half.
No, because I'm enjoying the food. And the company, of course. Come on, you're frustrated now or what? What?
Water? Please. Sa brief
Her
lang.
pizza's getting cold.
It's hot, no? A bit hot.
Huh?
Pizza or salami?
Salami.
My favorite place.
Your favorite place? Or city?
They.
Place and city is the
Place.
same. It's Paris.
Best time.
What? Best time where? What?
You don't need to ask question back again to me. He's asking again the question. You just answer.
What best time?
Whatever comes to your mind.
Paris. Us in Paris. That was best time. Coming into my mind when we were gone.
Very innocent, no? Last one. Yeah, chocolate
Plus
or me?
1 or 2. You.
Me.
Yeah.
But in coffee or what? You answered coffee.
Yeah, because I'm thinking, for the long run.
Atik-atik nga siya, guys. Atik-atik.
But chocolate I can say, no, it's okay.
Okay.
Can I do the questions about me? Are you done now with yours? So now I'm gonna ask you.
Why are you gonna ask me? You have no right.
Well, I just pay the bills. That's it.
Who's paying the bills?
Us?
Yeah. Pero, but Aber is paying more. Then I do the budgeting. Kung ano yung kulang, ako ang nagdadagdag para sa bills.
Yes.
Are you suffering there?
It's getting hot in here. Can we open the window or do I get water?
You'll drink water after. Not now.
After I'm dead.
Fox, so brave. But this is also hot. Can you tell them how nice I am?
No? Not saying.
Are you still okay on your samyang?
It's hot now.
Yeah? 2 packs. Magkabang red. Why Filipina? What it is like to be with Filipina wife? You have to be, yeah.
How it is to be
How
as a
it-
German?
Yeah, how
Or
it,
as a guy in general?
as a foreigner?
As a foreigner?
How it
as a
is
German?
like to be with Filipina wife? Come on, look at that. You look like you're suffering. You're suffering.
I'm suffering.
Hello. I'm gonna eat
You know,
it. This, I'm gonna cut
some
this.
young is making me suffer, but the questions are giving me the rest. She's putting me in the corner, like, you know, I have to be careful what I say to these questions. Excuse me. If I don't say the right answer, maybe it's the last time you see me. I haven't been together with many or with any
Yeah, of
other
course you're not-
Filipina, so
yeah,
I
but
can
you-
only talk about her. So what's it like being with her? Joyful, it's funny. She has a good... I need something to drink.
Ano pa, isa
Please?
tubig. Yan, nasa ref. Is in the fridge?
It's in the
Nasa
fridge,
ref
the
pa.
small bottle.
Small
In the door.
bottle. So it's like,
Yeah. So, thank God you have the same character as me.
what character?
Character. Like, you know, same humor. Similar humor.
Okay.
You laugh about the same things. Thank you very much.
You're sweating already.
Can you see that? Yeah, disgusting. So,
No, marami. I almost finished the whole pizza.
almost. It's only half. It's only half.
You can have this.
Okay. And you are very loving. Very caring when she's in a good humor. But also she can be very, very hard and very strict. And if you don't know how to take her, then you're kind of lost.
So how's samyang?
Hot? No. When you go back, what would you miss?
Schweineachse.
Schweineachse.
You know Schweineachse? It's like
For the English speaking.
it's like a crispy pata. It's like a roasted leg part of the pork.
Yeah. So what do you like in Germany? She's here now almost 1
I
year.
have
No,
already
longer.
1 year. Already 1 year, July
Yeah,
4.
a bit, yeah, it's just a few days. No, 2 months, 14 months now here. But this year we had a real summer, which we didn't have last year.
Last year, when I arrived here, guys, I'm freezing. But now, July, when Mom was here, it's really hot. So I was wondering. But now it's getting cold again. Start to cold. It will be gloomy again, depressed again. I will be depressed again. Are you up for another challenge? You'll be fine. Again for another challenge.
What do you mean for another challenge? I was about to ask more questions. No, you want to screw me.
So next time,
Ah,
So that- guys,
no, we switch that off. There's the button, there. You have to switch that off.
so since we're doing the vlog together now. You'll be the one to end the video.
I'm gonna ask you a few more questions.
Yeah, okay, ask me then.
Oh. Besides Schweineachse. You have to tell them a few more things. Like, you know, I mean, we have a bit more than Schweineachse to offer.
What do you want me to tell them then?
I want to know what else do you like here?
I like it here because...
Now she's imagining something or, you know, inventing something. Takes quite a while, huh? If I was going to live in the Philippines, I would know already what I like and what I don't like.
I like it here where I like the way your government.
Now I get sick. Now I get sick.
Being political.
Politically? Blah, 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 blah. I need a drink. You know what she's about to say? She's about to say, I like your government because they protect the women from the guys in case I want to get separated with my husband. Anything else that you like? Or don't like?
From weather I don't like. The weather I don't like. But I also don't like the sunny weather in Philippines. What else I don't like here? What else I like here?
And what you don't like in the Philippines?
Yeah,
you said you don't like the weather in the Philippines.
Yeah, the weather.
Here you don't like it either.
Because it's too much. In winter time I don't like. Because it's getting gloomy. Very gloomy. In winter time here.
Here?
Yeah, here. So you're gonna end the vlog.
Why should I end it?
Yeah, he needs to end the vlog, guys. That's the last request for tonight.
Okay.
Remember,
Ouch.
Happy wife, happy life. Happy wife, happy life. Is that true? Kaway-kaway sa mga...
Don't say anything.
Come on, end the vlog.
We're all gonna die.
No. Come on, end the vlog.
What?
End the vlog. Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And do you want to have another challenge for Frank? Maybe we can let him eat the next time dried fish.
Dried fish? No. What's the catch? What's my catch? What do I get for that if I eat dry fish?
I'm always doing the dishes and the house chores.
So I always go to work and
I cook you samyang every night. Guys, hindi siya marunong magluto ng samyang. You know that? Hindi niya alam. Walang alam sa buhay to. So ayun na guys. Thank you for watching tonight. Until next time. Until the next video. So good night. Bye bye. Oh, look at that already. Bye bye.